Hello students, today we are going to learn mixed word problem. Mixed word problems. Mixed word problems has solving of two mathematical operations together, that is addition and subtraction. While solving a mixed word problem, we should always remember keep the biggest number from information of given word problem as it is. Then add the next two numbers from information given. Later, the sum of two numbers we get should be subtracted from the biggest number. After subtracting, the answer we get is the final answer of the mixed word problem. So students, let us understood more by solving examples. There are 42,306 trees in a forest. Of these, 23,479 are teak trees and 16,675 are suberbull trees. How many other trees are there in the forest? So students, here total number of trees in the forest is 42,306. From this, 23,479 are teak trees and 16,675 are suberbull trees. We have to find out other trees in the forest. So, as we have learned, we will keep the biggest number here. 42,306 is the biggest number in this word problem. So, we will keep this number as it is and we will add first next two number, that is 23,479 and 16,675. For this, we will draw three columns. First, we will write what is asked, what information is given, what will you do first. Now, in next column, we will write answer for this, the number of other trees that is asked. Okay. Information given is total trees 42,306, teak trees 23,479 and suberbull tree 16,675. What will you do first? We will add teak and suberbull trees. So in third column we will do addition. 23,479 plus 16,675. We will get the answer 40,154. Now, what will you do next? So, we will subtract this sum from the total number of trees. So, the sum we have got 40,154 and total number of trees is 42,306. So, we will do subtraction. 42,306 minus 40,154. We will get the answer 2,152. So this is our final answer which we will write in statement. There are 2,152 other trees in the forest. Example, Rohan spent rupees 27,658 for purchasing computers and rupees 16,478 on a printer and scanner. Packing and transporting the goods cost extra. Rohan spent a total of rupees 47,000. How much did he spend on packing and transport? So students, here in this word problem, Rohan has spent 27,658 for purchasing computers and rupees 16,478 on printer and scanner. He had spent some amount for packing and transporting the goods that we have to find out. But total amount he spent is rupees 47,000. So in this word problem, 47,000 is the biggest number which we will keep as it is. First we will add these two other numbers. So first we will draw 3 columns. What is asked? What information is given? What will you do first? In next column we will write answer for it. Expenditure on packing and transport. What information is given? Total amount spent rupees 47,000. For computer rupees 27,658 and for printer and scanner rupees 16,478. So what you will do first? Add money spent for computer, printer and scanner. So in third column we will do addition. 27,658 plus 16,478, we will get the answer 44,136. Now what we will do next? So we will subtract this sum from the total amount spent. So total amount is 47,000. We will minus 44,136. We will get the answer 2,864. So this is our final answer. We will write in statement. He spent rupees 2,864 on packing and transport. We will solve. In a nursery, there were 32,140 saplings. 12,789 were mango saplings and 10,423 were teak saplings. How many other saplings were there? So students, here in a nursery total saplings are 32,140. From that 12,789 were mango saplings and 10,423 were teak saplings. So we have to find out the other saplings in a nursery. As we have solved before, we will keep the biggest number, that is 32,140 as it is, and we will add next two numbers. First we will write what is asked, what information is given, what will you do first. In next column we will write how many other saplings were there. This is what is asked. We have to find out. What information is given? There were 32,140 saplings. 12,789 were mango saplings and 10,423 were teak saplings. What you will do first? Add 12,789 mango saplings with 10,423 teak saplings. So in third column we will do the method of addition. 12,789 plus 10,423, we will get the answer 23,212. Now what will you do next? Subtract this sum of saplings 23,212 from total number of saplings, that is 32,140. So in third column we will do this method of subtraction. We will get the answer 8,928. So this is our final answer. We will write in statement. There were 8,928 other saplings. So students, now you have understood how to solve mixed word problem. Thank you.